Okay, I'm going to review what your homework assignment was for tonight. You're going to take your piece of paper and fold it like a letter into 3 equal parts. So you've got 3 equal parts like so. I'm going to cut them apart. Into 3 strips. So you should have 3 strips that look like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to take one of them, fold it in half, and then in half again. So that you get fourths. Alright, now we need 2 of them to be in fourths, so I'm just going to put one on top of the other. I don't need to fold the other one. You can if you want to. And then I'm going to cut most of the way across the folds. We're kind of making a little flip booklet, so we don't want it to go all the way through. Okay, so I have 2 pages that are cut most of the way through, and then I have one that is not cut at all. Now I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue down one side like this, glue one of the cut pieces on it, glue again down that same side, glue the other cut piece right on top of it, and now I should have a little flip book. So the first page you can open. Okay, you should wait for it to dry, of course, but okay. So the first page opens, the second page opens, and the third page is just solid. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it should have like 4 little mini flip books. On the top one, I'm going to write my first property, like so, which is the identity property. Then I'm going to write my numerical example, which the one I did in class was 4 times 1 equals 4. You need to choose different numbers. You could have also done the additive one, 4 plus 0 equals 4. Okay. Then on the next one, you're going to choose the example with a variable. So I would have x times 1 equals x. Okay. You're going to do the same thing for your next property, which is associative. Okay. The first example is going to be your number example. 4 times 3 times 1 equals 4 times 3 times 1. Okay, remember associative means who you group with, so your group can change and it's still the same answer. Okay, then your last page is going to be your one with variables, so it may look something like this. A times B times C equals A times B times C. Okay? And you're going to go on, you're going to do the same thing for commutative and distributive. Okay, once you have it all glued together and dried so that it's not falling apart, Go ahead and glue the whole thing, just the whole back of it here. Glue it straight into your math notebook. And that's your homework for tonight.